Welcome to the fascinating world of data science, where raw data transforms into valuable insights. As we dive into this introductory exploration, you'll discover how data science is reshaping industries and driving innovation across the globe. At its core, data science combines mathematics, statistics, and computer science to analyze and interpret complex data sets. It's a multidisciplinary field that empowers decision-makers with actionable insights, enabling them to make informed choices and solve real-world problems. In today's data-driven era, the ability to extract meaningful patterns from vast amounts of information is crucial. Data science utilizes various tools and techniques to process and analyze data, including machine learning algorithms, data mining, and predictive modeling. These methods help uncover hidden trends, predict future outcomes, and optimize processes, leading to improved efficiency and effectiveness in numerous sectors such as healthcare, finance, marketing, and technology. One of the fundamental aspects of data science is understanding the life cycle of data analysis. This journey begins with data collection, where information is gathered from diverse sources, followed by data cleaning to ensure accuracy and consistency. Next, data exploration involves visualizing and summarizing data to identify patterns and anomalies. The final stages include modeling, where statistical techniques are applied to make predictions, and deployment, where insights are integrated into business strategies. As we delve deeper into data science, it's important to recognize the ethical considerations and challenges associated with handling data. Privacy concerns, data security, and bias in algorithms are critical issues that professionals must address to ensure responsible data usage. By fostering an ethical approach, data scientists can build trust and contribute positively to society. The demand for skilled data scientists continues to grow, offering exciting career opportunities for those with a passion for problem-solving and innovation. Whether you're interested in becoming a data analyst, machine learning engineer, or business intelligence specialist, the field of data science offers diverse paths to explore. With the right skills and mindset, you can harness the power of data to drive change and make a meaningful impact in your chosen industry. In conclusion, data science is a dynamic and ever-evolving field that plays a pivotal role in shaping the future. By mastering the art of data analysis, you'll be equipped to tackle complex challenges and unlock new possibilities. As you embark on your journey into data science, remember that curiosity and continuous learning are key to success in this exciting domain.